There was kind of tough times because I worked overnights. So I did most of my schooling at nighttime. It's something I actually never thought I would get done in my life, but I did. And the system helped me really come to that goal.
This program seriously really did change my life because I didn't think that I would have any hope of getting my diploma or my GED.
It's very emotional because my daughter, she was the one that I did this for. She's going on 10 years old. I had her in high school, and you guys helped me achieve something for her.
I always wanted to be a therapist. That was my dream since I was a child. So now that possibility is absolutely more in front of me than it was before.
Because most of my experience are in fast food, so I kind of just didn't want the fast food life anymore either as well. And the only thing that was holding me back was my high school diploma or GED, and also just to better our lives for my family.
To learn more about Excel Adult High School, visit our website at pioneerlibrarysystem.org.